Today I'm revealing the top 7 best Instant Pot for back-to-school family meals. Because if you're like me, school time means total chaos, homework, soccer practice, and you still gotta feed everyone fast. I found 7 different models that families actually buy on Amazon US, and I'm ranking them from 7 to 1 so you know exactly which one to grab for your kitchen. All the Amazon links are in the description if you want to check current prices. Number 7. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11 in 1/8 quart and the Ultimate Lid 13 in 1 6.5 quart with Wi-Fi. So starting at number 7, this is the Big Daddy. It's honestly like a complete kitchen in a single pot. First thing I found, this thing is heavy, like built to last heavy. Parts are super well machined, feels overbuilt. And I love the little details, like inside the pot, the measurement markings are actually silk screened, not just etched, so you can actually see them. Control layout is super easy to understand. Switching from pressure cook to air fry is seamless. It holds so much. I've found you can easily fit half a chicken and a full rack of ribs with ease. The air fryer bonus makes it even more versatile. That is what really sold people on this model. But for back-to-school family meals, all right, it is a lot. If you just want quick rice and chicken after school, this might be overkill and it takes up a lot of counter space. Pros: built like a tank, lasts for years, holds huge family portions easily. Wi-Fi app control on Ultimate Lid. Cons: very heavy and bulky on counter. Metal release needs spoon to push. All right, let's move on to the next one. Number 6, the Instant Pot Pro 10 in 1 6 quart. This is the one that actually surprised me for everyday family meals. I found this cooks so fast, like spaghetti with meat sauce ready in 5 minutes, and the pasta is still al dente. Why didn't I get this like 10, 20 years ago when the kids were small? You come home tired from work and you don't have big pots stacking up anymore. What people love about this is the economy too. It draws 1200 watts, nothing compared to stove or oven. And the rice? Perfect rice in 12 minutes. You can even do a whole turkey in 3 hours or yogurt in 8 hours. It is infinite what you can do. For back-to-school family meals, this is where it clicks. It is faster, pro-grade inner pot you can put right on the stovetop, even induction compatible with silicone handles. And it has 20% more sauté power and 20% faster preheat, so you can actually sear meat properly. Pros: cooks insanely fast everyday meals. Stovetop, safe, pro-grade pot. Faster preheat, better searing power. Cons: premium price for 6 quart. No air fryer lid included here. Now let's see how this compares. Number 5, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11 in 1 8 quart. This is the one everyone buys when their Ninja finally gives out. Seriously, I found that a lot. I found it is great for pressure cooking, roasting, and air frying. Yeah, you do have to change lids, but honestly it is fast and easy. And it is quieter than the Ninja, which surprised me. No leakage or odor issues even after a bunch of uses. Stainless steel pot makes cleaning easy. Just pick cooking feature, set temperature and time, wait till done. I found it cooks lamb leg, ribs, ribeye, all tender, like my go-to. The honest part, it air fries okay. Not as crispy as a dedicated standalone air fryer, but it does the job for nuggets, fries, veggies for kids. If you are buying this just for air frying, I wouldn't recommend it. Just get a regular Instant Pot. But I also love that I got the bigger size, even though it is massive. Perfect if you like to prep a lot at once for the week. Pros: pressure cook plus air fry combo. Quieter than most competitors out there. Stainless pot, no odor retention. Cons: air fry not as crispy standalone. Lid swapping needs extra storage. All right, let's move on to the next one. Number 4, the Instant Pot RIO Wide 7.5 quart and the RIO Wide Plus 9 in 1. This is a game changer for big families. The RIO Wide base, this is revolutionary in a big way, 35% larger cooking surface. So yeah, same height but wider. That means you can actually sauté for a family without crowding the pot. I found food comes out delicious every time, whether it is rice, soups, chicken, or even yogurt. It heats evenly, saves time, quality is excellent, and that large capacity is perfect for meal prep or family dinners. And here's the crazy part I found. You can literally just fill it up with frozen ribs or pork shoulder, walk away, and when you come back, it is soft, tender, falling off the bone like restaurant style. Amazing little machine that makes cooking anything painless. The accessory bundles I found are super useful too. For back to school, this is huge if you have 3 or more kids. One pot does dinner. Pros: 35% wider searing base, huge capacity for big families, cooks frozen meat perfectly tender. Cons: takes more counter width space, heavier when fully loaded with food. Now let's see how this compares. Number 3, the Instant Pot RIO 6-Quart 7-in-1. This is basically the new Duo, but better and cheaper. This thing is magic for small spaces. I found it is incredibly easy to use and doesn't take over your kitchen, but still does everything you need. Pressure cooking, sautéing, slow cooking, steaming, all works flawlessly. What I found is rice, biryani, dal, soups, even boiled vegetables are cooked perfectly with consistent results. Stainless steel inner pot is sturdy and easy to clean, unlike non-stick pots that wear out quickly, and safety features are solid, lid lock, pressure release valve, auto temperature control. It looks really nice on the counter too. Simple and modern, compact size makes it easy to store or move around. If you are looking for an instant pot that doesn't take over your kitchen, but still does everything you need, this is fantastic, and it is usually the cheapest of the bunch on Amazon US. Pros: compact but still family-sized pot, super easy to use every day. Sturdy stainless pot, easy cleaning. Cons: 7 functions only, no sous vide, no WhisperQuiet on base model. All right, let's move on to the next one. Number 2. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 WhisperQuiet 6-Quart and 8-Quart. This is my new favorite for back to school, and it is ranked second for a reason. Why? Easy to use menu, stainless steel pot, cooking times are perfect. I cook for a lot of family, and the 8-Quart can handle it. You can literally cook 2 different dishes, like beans and then the chicken for dinner one after another in about 1.5 hours and feed a lot of people. Well built, easy to use, easy to clean, and the steam release works well. There is still some noise, but it is a lot quieter than my old one. I've been using pressure cookers for years and did not want to give up to the new technology. Being older and after falling asleep on my old pressure cooker and burning it up, I ordered this. Stainless pot transfers, no taste, easy to clean, and now I don't worry about burning down the house and killing everyone inside. That is real peace of mind when you have kids running around after school. For back-to-school family meals, WhisperQuiet is a lifesaver for early mornings. 9-in-1 with sous vide and sterilizer too. Pros: WhisperQuiet, ideal for busy mornings, cooks 2 meals back-to-back, very safe with auto protections. Cons: slightly pricey than basic Duo model, 8-Quart is quite tall overall. And number 1, the winner, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 6-Quart. This is still the best Instant Pot for back-to-school family meals for most families in the US. And yeah, I put the best Amazon link in the description for this one. Look, this thing is magic. It offers the versatility of several appliances for a small space. I literally Google recipes to try because I love using this pot. Sauté, pressure cook in minutes, keeps food warm, has multiple functions, and allows you to try recipes you never thought about trying with absolutely no guesswork. It is almost foolproof. It cleans easily, makes perfect meals, and frees you to be creative. Frees up your time as cooking times are a mere fraction of normal, and it frees up your ability to make more homemade meals for your family. You can make a small amount or a large family amount. Size is great for small countertop and for meal needs. For back to school, this is it. Affordable, feeds 6,000 of YouTube recipes, and every kid actually eats what comes out of it. If you are on a budget or buying your first Instant Pot, this is the one. Pros: most affordable bestseller, proven, foolproof results every single time, perfect 6-Quart for family meals. Cons: noisy steam release versus WhisperQuiet, no air fryer without extra lid. So yeah, hopefully this helped you decide which best Instant Pot for back-to-school family meals you actually need. If you have a big family and want everything in one, go Pro Crisp. If you want quiet mornings, Duo Plus, but if you want the one that just works for 90% of families, that Duo 7-in-1 is still king. Thanks for watching.